Article 17 of the Indian Constitution mentions about the 1. Abolition of untouchability. 2. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. 3. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. 4. Abolition of titles. Answer 1. Abolition of untouchability. In 1951, who was elected as member of the Central Executive of the Communist Party of India? 1. Prakash Singh Badal. 2. Jagjit Singh Chauhan. 3. Amarinder Singh. 4. Sohan Singh Josh. Answer 4. Sohan Singh Josh. The Rajya Sabha was first constituted in the year 1. 1952. 2. 1950. 3. 1948. 4. 1949. Answer 1. 1952. The system of governors in the Indian political system was adopted from 1. Government of India Act 1919. 2. Pitt's India Act 1773. 3. Government of India Act of 1935. 4. Government of India Act of 1909. Answer 3. Government of India Act of 1935. Since after enactment, the Citizenship Act, 1955 has been amended how many times? 1. 3 times. 2. 5 times. 3. 8 times. 4. 6 times. Answer 4. 6 times. The directive principle of state policy, minimize inequalities in income, status, facilities, and opportunities under Article 38 of the Indian Constitution, added by the amendment. 1. 43rd. 2. 45th. 3. 42nd. 4. 44th. Answer 4. 44th. Which of the following is the first fundamental duty in the list of fundamental duties of the Indian citizens? 1. To develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. 2. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. 3. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. 4. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Answer 4. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. The Chief Minister of Delhi is appointed by the 1. President of India. 2. Governor. 3. Vice President of India. 4. Lieutenant Governor. Answer 1. President of India. Which article provides for the Supreme Court to issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights? 1. Article 31. 2. Article 29. 3. Article 30. 4. Article 32. Answer Article 32. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? 1. Niti Aayog. 2. CAG. 3. Finance Commission. 4. Interstate Council. Answer 1. Niti Aayog.